In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to find Security and Privacy section. Then scroll down again and tap on Permission Manager. Now it's time to select one of your device's features that you wish to manage and tap on one of your apps under one of those categories. I will go with Chrome from Not Allowed one. Then apply one of those options by tapping on the best one. Microphone access for this app allow only while using the app, ask every time or don't allow, and go back. You can also select an app that you are interested in and instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!